can't touch this. You can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to run and too hype me to feel good when you know you're down? A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. That's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Touch this. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and just hold you, homeboy. Can't touch this. Yeah, that's this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, bump a little bit and let the noise go on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, just fall on back. Let them know that you're too much. And this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song, a rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know, you talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hot and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, I'm a whiteboard tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit, either work hard or you might as well quit. That's word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down.
Gidul formatic 10 este așezat la distanța regulamentară. Hagi se apropie de balon. Se aude pârul arbitru italian anălin, șuta lui Hagi. Și ultima jucători și telespectatori. Hagi a reușit să transporte. Este 1-0. Steaua Dinamo Kiev, un gol superb al lui Hagi, fost executat cu forță și efect, mingea a șters. Zidul formației sovietice și-a intrat în colțul din stânga al porții Janov, plecat în cealaltă parte a porții sale. Este 1-0, Steaua Dinamo Kiev. Hagi a deschis scorul. El a defilcat.
Support by Munteanu. 2 against 2. That's supported wide. There's a beautiful ball again. The first superb Hagi.
Hagi. Și gol! Extraordinară bombă!
Unexpectedly for Pompidou. He may have looked a little rusty. Here's Hagi. Has a great run